Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 English idioms for distance. Number 1, a stone's throw away. It means very close, within throwing distance of a stone. Example, the beach is just a stone's throw away from our hotel. Number 2, around the corner. It means very close, nearby. Example, the grocery store is around the corner from my house. Number 3, within walking distance. It means close enough to walk to without needing transportation. Example, my workplace is within walking distance of my home. Number 4, a hop, skip, and a jump. It means a very short distance, barely any distance at all. Example, the park is just a hop, skip, and a jump from here. Number 5, within easy reach. It means close and easily accessible. Example, all the shops are within easy reach of our apartment. Number 6, in the middle of nowhere. It means very remote, far from civilization or populated areas. Example, that cabin is in the middle of nowhere. Number 7, off the beaten track. It means remote, away from crowded or touristy places. Example, we found a charming village off the beaten track. Number 8, as the crow flies. It means in a straight line, used to measure the actual distance, not the travel route. Example, it's 10 miles as the crow flies, but longer by road. Number 9, to the ends of the earth. It means extremely far, anywhere in the world. Example, I'd travel to the ends of the earth for you. Number 10, a long haul. It means a long, demanding journey or distance. Example, flying to Australia is a long haul. And that's a wrap on today's lesson. If this video helped you learn, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new lesson. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.